Yo, Coach Josh here. So I just got an email from an agent that I know a lot of you are feeling right now, and they asked, "Hey, Josh, I've got a seller who thinks it's still 2021." What they mean to say is they want to list 50,000 over comps, and I'm terrified. I'm taking a listing that's just going to sit. How do I win the argument without losing the relationship? Such a great question. Now, here's the truth. If you walk in there with opinions or gut feelings, you're just a commodity, and commodities get beat up on price. The problem really isn't the seller, it's just the data gap. You're spending 2 to 3 hours manually pulling reports, or worse, just guessing at market velocity. And that's why your anxiety is up and your conversion is down. Enter the AI local economist agent. So imagine walking into that appointment with a digital partner that has sold tens of thousands of homes baked into its brain. You feed it raw MLS data, and in seconds, not hours, its outputs are stunning. Hyper accurate market analysis. It calculates the absorption rates. It understands pricing based on absorption rates and velocity, along with a complete digestion of monthly market metrics and summary analysis of all active, pending, sold, and expired properties in that comparable area, and provides precision outputs that we can't even begin to imagine dissecting on our own. So it tells you, hey, Josh, we have an 8-month supply and velocity is slowing. To be in the market, we've got to be in the top 10% in condition and the bottom 10% in price. Now, you're not the bad guy picking a fight. You're the economist interpreting the laws of supply and demand, and it doesn't stop at the listing. This actual agent will handle weekly servicing, writing calm seller emails and drafting reels, scripts using magic words that provide certainty and results. And doing this all in your voice and style with your personal brand Bible. You're taking your prep time from like 3 hours to under 30 minutes with results that look better than anything a human could manually produce. So stop being a commodity and start being the economist. Join me Wednesday, March 11th at Keller Williams, Utah in Midvale from 12 to 2. And we're going to build your AI economist servicing agent together. And I hope to see you there.